So I'm going to show you right now how to use the basic speaker and Snap and Read button or OCR tool in Snap and Read Universal. So right now I have a website up, and once you've turned on Snap and Read, you'll have the Snap and Read toolbar come over here on the right hand side. And the first button right here is the speaker button. You'll simply click on it and then click on the text you want read to you.
Penguins are aquatic, flightless birds that are highly adapted to life in the water.
And then you can just click to make it stop. So that's the speaker button, and the speaker button will work on a website. It'll also work on like Google Docs. When you open up any website, as I did right now, or Google Doc, and you notice I don't have the toolbar, one of the things you might want to do, a little troubleshooting tip, is to actually just refresh the page. And when you do that, the Snap and Read toolbar usually will pop up. Here we go. Okay, so you can click on the speaker button again.
Install extension. Make sure students and teachers. Chrome browser or Chromebook you log into.
Okay. It'll also work on a quiz. So if I come over here on a quiz, I'm going to turn it off real quick. Back on.
Animals which eat both plants and other animals are known as what?
Okay. So that is the speaker button. Now, the OCR tool, Snap and Read tool, inaccessible text tool, however you want to call it, this is so you can access text that is actually like on a flattened document, so like a PDF or a JPEG. So let's start with the PDF. And this OCR tool will also work on web text too. It's just you have to use it on a PDF or a JPEG for it to work. So I also suggest making sure that teachers and students only grab little sections at a time, as if you grab the whole page, it takes a little bit longer.
The Supreme Court of the United States is the highest court in the country.
There you go. So it'll read that. And then if you come over here to the picture, the same thing. If you take that tool, let's just read this part right here.
Welcome back to another wonderful year.
Okay, so it'll read the picture. We also recommend that you open up these pictures and PDFs in its own window. Sometimes when you're accessing from Google Drive, it just opens a preview window and you can kind of still see the background of the drive. And that means that it might actually be grabbing some of the text or actually web code from the behind the picture or image. And every once in a while when you're using Snap and Read, you do notice that it grabs some web code. So you just kind of have to be aware of that and use it in small chunks. Smaller chunking the text is a much easier way to manage that.